Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. It's your girl Beloved and I'm back with a new recipe for the channel. Beloved Catering Service is a business where we make all kinds of cakes, butter cookies, shortbread cookies, coconut biscuits, sugar cookies, brownies, ring donuts, meat pies, samosas, spring rolls, and all kinds of fruit drinks and fruit juices, especially sobolo. We also make all local rice dishes and Ghanaian authentic dishes. We cater for all events and occasions and any form of gatherings. You can contact us with the information provided on your screen. In today's video, we are making this beautiful birthday cake as an order for my church's April birthday celebration. Stick and stay with me as I show you how to make this beautiful birthday cake you are seeing here. These are the ingredients we are using for today's cake. We have this plain buttercream frosting here, my perfect American buttercream frosting. We have 3 cake layers here. 2 are my top-notch cookies and cream cake layers, and then 1 is a chocolate cake layer. All these cakes will be linked below, so you can check out the recipe for making them. This is my no sugar vanilla and milk syrup. The recipe is also linked below. My homemade fondant recipe will be linked below. So then we'll be using some chocolate spread to fill the cake. We'll also be using some Oreo cookies, which I used part of it for the cookies and cream cake, and we use the rest for the decoration. These are our sprinkles, our edible spirits, edible gold dust, among others. These are the tools. We have the serrated knife. We have some skewers for support, the scrapers, our solution tape, the fondant mat, and then the rod, our cake topper, and we'll also be using some Ziploc bags here. Before that, I would be very happy if you could subscribe to my channel right now and then turn on your post and notification icon so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video onto the channel. And please share my videos with your friends and family. Please subscribe. So this is the first cake layer, which is our cookies and cream cake layer. I'm going to place on some of the frosting. Smoothing it out. Then I'll spread some of the chocolates . And then I'll place on the next cake layer. I'll use the same process we used earlier to finish off and then assemble all 3 cake layers. This is how the cake looks like. And this is how it looks like after it has been crumb coated. This is how the cake looks like after covering and everything. So we are going to add the decorations like this one here, and then the chocolates, as well as some drips, and the rest of the chocolate designs will be added, as well as the top. Then we finish it off with the fondant cutout. This is how it looks. Chocolate drips on this side of the cake. I'm placing in the birthday topper. Then we'll start adding in the chocolate pieces. also be adding some to the sides, top. I'll also be adding on some Oreo crackers.
If you've watched the video till now, I'll please like you to subscribe to the channel, turn on your post and notification icon, and then join us each and every Thursday and Sunday when we post new videos by subscribing so that you get notifications on your phone anytime the video is posted.
It's the next day, and then I'm going to package the cake as we do usually. Then we send it off to church. You can see it's still the same. Nothing has happened to it. So I'm going to package and then we deliver it to the church safe.
And this is where today's video ends. Thank you so much for watching. Make it a point to watch all our new videos this and every Thursday and Sunday for wholesome content and amazing recipes you can try with your friends and family. Also, we post short videos from Sunday to Sunday, which is throughout the week, so you can check that out as well. Share our videos with your friends and family on our behalf. Subscribe to the channel. Do all the good stuff for us. Follow us on all our socials. So we meet again, dear viewers. Bye bye.